Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing the recent decision by the Italian government to ban the use of ChatGPT over privacy concern. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model created by OpenAI. It is designed to communicate with humans in a natural language format, making it an ideal tool for chatbot and other conversational agent. However, the Italian government believes ChatGPT poses a threat to user privacy and has therefore decided to ban its use in the country. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, but we believe that its use in Italy poses a serious risk to our citizens' privacy. We cannot allow a technology that has the potential to be used for nefarious purpose to be freely available to anyone who wants to use it. The Italian government's concern stem from the fact that ChatGPT is capable of learning from the conversation it has with users. This means that it can potentially collect sensitive information about users without their knowledge or consent. The government fears that this information could be used for malicious purpose such as identity theft or target advertising. While ChatGPT is certainly capable of learning from conversation, it is important to note that it only does so in order to improve its ability to communicate with humans. It does not actively collect or store user data, and there are measures in place to prevent it from being used for malicious purposes. Despite the reassurance of cybersecurity experts, the Italian government has decided to go ahead with the ban. This decision has been met with criticism from some members of the tech community who argue that it is an overreaction and could stifle innovation in the field of AI. The decision to ban ChatGPT in Italy is short signed one that fails to take into account the benefit that this technology can bring. It is important to have measures in place to protect user privacy, but a blanket ban on a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines is not the answer. The ban on ChatGPT in Italy is set to take effect in the coming week. It remains to be seen whether other countries will follow Italy's lead and ban the use of this powerful tool, or whether they will take a more measured approach to regulate its use. That's it for today's video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and doesn't forget to subscribe our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. We'll be seeing you in the next video.